Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio web application built with Laravel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a new testimonial. So, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to make this button workable. When we click on this button, we need to take the user to the /admin/testimonial/create path. So, let's do that by make this button workable. Go in our index.blade.php file in testimonial folder. Add over here a root, admin.testimonials.create, we haven't created this root, so let's go in our roots in web.php file. Let's duplicate this line over here, add create. The function will be create and the root name will be admin.testimonials.create. We haven't created create function, so let's create it by going in our testimonial controller. Over here, create a function create, which will return the view create from admin.testimonials folder. So we haven't created this view, so let's create it by going in our testimonials folder. Over here, create a file called create.blade.php. Within, we are going to extend layout.admin.base. Add a session content with title hello. Now when we click on this button, as you can see, we are going to our create page with hello message. Alright, now let's add the design template on this create page. I have already created the design template located in our public template admin in testimonial.html. We'll copy this and paste it in our create.blade.php. Alright, now we see our design is changed. Here we are going to walk around, fill out this form and save it in database. The first thing I want to do is to create a form folder because I need to use this same form when we create a testimonial or edit a testimonial. So let's go in our testimonial folder. Over here, create a form.blade.php file. Go back in our create.blade.php. Move this into our form. And then go back in our create.blade.php. Include our form over here. Okay, as you can see, it is still working. So let's now fill out this form by going in our form.blade.php. Over here, add a name, which will be name. Name here, it will be function. And name here, it will be testimony. Right, copy this. It will be rating. The name also, it will be rating. Now on this image input, let's add the name image. This input will accept the images file. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is when we select an image, we need to show it in this page before save it in our database. To do that, we are going to use the same logic as what I was used when I walk around on a project session. So we'll go in our project folder in form.blade.php, copy this ID and paste it in our form in Testimonial. Go back in our project form, copy this function and paste it in our form in Testimonial, and then go back in our form in projects, copy this script and go back in our form in testimonials, paste it over here. Now when we go in our form and select an image, as you can see, it show it before save it in database, which is better. So now I'm going to walk around on save, fill out information in database. So let's go in create.blade.php, add a form with method, post, action, it will be on root, admin.testimonials.store, add an ink type with multipath from data, add the ssref token, and then close this form. Alright, we haven't created this root, so we'll go in our web.php file over here, duplicate this line. It will be posts, the function will be store, the root name will be admin.testimonials.store. We haven't created this store, we'll create it in our testimonial controller. Over here, create a function called store, which will get requests, a variable requests. Create a variable testimonial, which gets a new testimonial. The testimonial name will get a request name. The testimonial function will get a request function. The testimonial testonomy will get a request testonomy. Testimonial rating will get request rating. And on the image, I'm going to use the logic located in our projects controller. So let's go over here, copy this and paste it in our store function in testimonial controller, and then change here to testimonial, and after that save our testimonial, and redirect to our root admin.testimonials.index. Alright. Now when we create a new testimonial, I fill out this form and I save to the database. As you can see, our testimonial has been saved. Now it will be better if I add a notification. So we'll go in our store function. Over here, we are going to be redirected to our testimonial index page with flash message, testimonial, add, and let's go in our index.blade.php file. Over here, include our flash message over here. Alright. Now when we fill out this form and save it to the database, as you can see, it save it to the database and show the notification. Alright. Now we are going to add a validation. When we fill out this form, we need to show the request validation. So we'll go in our store function over here, add request validate. The name will be required. The function will be required. The testimony will be required. And the rating, it will be required. Alright. Now let's go in our form.blade.php. Over here, add errors first, name, with message, alright, and add a class over here, added. So we'll copy this, paste it over here. It will be function, and here it will be testimony, and then here it will be rating. Now when we try to save the form without fill out this form, as you can see, it shows me the error, which is better. Alright, so let's stay here for a moment. We finished to see how to create testimonial. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to motivate me to keep going. Thank you for watching.